Your car is a complex machine with many systems working together. One crucial system is steering. It's responsible for directing your car where you want to go. Without it, you would be unable to control the vehicle's direction. A well-maintained steering system is essential for safety. It ensures precise control and quick reactions to avoid hazards. Regular maintenance can prevent accidents and keep you safe on the road. Neglecting your steering system can have serious consequences. Worn-out components can fail, leading to a loss of control and potentially dangerous situations. It's crucial to address any steering issues promptly. Most modern cars have power steering, making it easier to turn the wheel. There are two main types, hydraulic and electric. Hydraulic power steering uses fluid pressure to assist steering. A pump driven by the engine provides the pressure. Electric power steering, on the other hand, uses an electric motor. This motor provides assistance, making it more fuel efficient. It only activates when you turn the steering wheel, saving energy. Several issues can arise with steering systems. A common one is fluid leaks in hydraulic systems. These leaks reduce steering assistance and can lead to damage. Another issue is worn-out steering components, such as tie rod ends or ball joints. Worn components can cause looseness in the steering, making it less responsive. Electric power steering systems can also experience problems. Sensor failures or electrical issues can disrupt the system's operation, leading to a loss of assistance. Regular maintenance is key to a healthy steering system. Checking fluid levels in hydraulic systems is crucial. Look for any signs of leaks and address them immediately. Inspecting steering components for wear and tear is also essential. If you notice any unusual noises, vibrations, or difficulty steering, it's crucial to have your vehicle inspected by a professional mechanic. They can diagnose the issue and perform necessary repairs. Remember, a well-maintained steering system is paramount for your safety on the road. Don't neglect it.